Hey guys, it's Doc Ragnarok here, rocking my new setup, feeling pretty. Today we have a really special unboxing. This little test tag might give it away, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this Armory Rec-7 from Umbrella Armory. Let's get this puppy open. Got receipt, we should keep that. And, that's amazing. That is well packaged. They have everything in there. Tons of patches. I'm going to rock every last one of these and find a spot somewhere or give them to friends as well. We have a Crytek mid-cap, which is the exact magazine I use, so right on. Thank you. Got a couple of sights here, so we got some irons. As you guys know from my previous video, I'll be rocking a Trigicon on here. Looks like an adapter, which we won't need, and Picatinny rail, and here is the black flash hider. Right on. That looks really good. I really like that. This gun's gonna look so good when it's all set up. Some batteries, cool, can use those, and a USB link for the Gate Titan, so I'll be able to hook up and check everything out. But for the main event, this beautiful masterpiece that I'm just so excited for. I've wanted one of these rifles forever. It is so cool to finally have one. Small, which I love, a little SBR setup. As you can see, it has a Pro-Win hop up, their R-hop, and a tight bore barrel in it. Internally, this thing is decked, just head to toe here. Absolutely decked out. These guns are McLarens. Feels great. Really crisp on the selector, considering this whole thing's been torn apart. And it is quality. Now that's impressive. 29 rounds per second, 370 foot per second with a 2.5 BB. That's just amazing. This gun is a dream. If you can get one, get one. It has range. It has domination. It's just absolutely everything you're going to want. Look them up if you don't know who they are. Umbrella Armory. Snag one if you can. I highly recommend it. Gameplay coming soon with this. Thank you all for joining today. Check out this gun. Love you all. See you later.